All right, so we have problem 7b to simplify from this is from the cumulative review or something? Mastery. Okay. So either way, we want to simplify this, right? Okay, so the top's kind of bits and chunks of fractions, right? The bottom's just straight up 1 minus 3x. Okay, when I'm dividing some stuff that looks like it's going to be a fraction by something, how do I do that?
What?
Like, kind of what am I going for? Maybe if I went for this, right? That'd put the bottom as a fraction by itself. If I could get the top as kind of a fraction with a common bottom, then I could flip the bottom over and multiply by it, right?
I like that. Say that again.
So if I could get the top to have a common bottom, right, to be one big long fraction bar, then I could take that piece and multiply it by the bottom flipped over, right? Okay, so getting a common bottom on the top, I look at this and I see, okay, what's the common bottom?
3 and an x.
Yeah, there's a 3 and an x and a,
1.
probably should put that in there. Okay, so the common bottom seems like it's 3x, right? Okay, so right now I'm just playing with the top, right? So I'm going to leave the bottom by itself. That's 1 minus 3x over 1. And the top, okay, what does this first term need? This x over 3?
An x.
That needs an x. Okay, so I multiply it top and bottom by an x. So I've got the x over 3 I started with. Multiply top and bottom by x. Then I'm subtracting. I've got a 2 over 1. What does that guy need on top and bottom?
3.
That guy needs a 3x, top and bottom. And then this next guy, my last term is a 3 over x, and it needs top and bottom a 3. Okay. So now all of this is going to be over 3x, right? Okay, so if I rewrite, I can rewrite as, let's see, the top's going to all be over 3x. And then I'm going to multiply by the bottom flipped over, right?
Yep.
Which is 1 over 1 minus 3x. Right? Okay, what's the top of the top here?
X squared.
There's a x squared minus
6x.
6x plus
9.
9. Okay.
Oh, I didn't know that was the perfect square.
Oh, that's a perfect square, isn't
But
it?
that's really hard. Like, I was gonna pull out a 6 or something and factor it.
Yeah, so I really can't factor anything out of this, right? So I've got a 1, a 6, and a 9. The 1's really going to hang me up. I can't factor that, at least, right? I can't pull a number straight out. But I could say, okay, this is a little quadratic. I need 2 numbers, right, that add to be this, multiply to be this. So multiply to be 9 is either 1 and 9 or 3 and 3, right? 3 and 3 with negatives on both will add to this. So, right, that's how I would factor, personally. I'm not very good at seeing the perfect squares. So if we do factor, right, we get...
But where did that 3x come from? I'm
Where
sorry.
did this 3x, this one on the left? That's the common bottom of all this stuff.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No worries. So what did I get when I factored? I got a...
X minus something, minus 3.
There was a x minus 3 and another one, right? So I got x minus 3 squared. This is over 3x, and then I'm multiplying by 1 over 1 minus 3x.
Which one is to write about 2 things?
2 different things.
I mean,
Oh, the
yeah.
x minus 3? Sure. I don't care. You guys are At the beginning, I would have said, yes, absolutely, write 2 of them. You guys are getting better at this, so I'm relaxing a little bit on the end.
So on that one, the x minus 3, the other one would be x plus 3? No, on top, x squared.
No, they're 2x
Still,
minus 3s, right? Because this wasn't a difference of squares.
No.
Okay, so I got to here. Can I cancel anything?
Cancel one of the x minus 3.
You know, you
What? Oh, sorry.
So
Wait.
this is it. I can't cancel anything. You guys see that?
Yeah, but if there was 2, then you only use 1, right? If you did break it out.
Oh yeah, if there was an x minus 3 on the bottom that I could cancel with, I would only use one of them. Yeah. So really what I end up with here is, see, I've got an x minus 3 squared on the top, and on the bottom I've got a 3x, and that's multiplied by 1 minus 3x. And I'm guessing that you copied,
The wrong thing?
is this not quite the right problem?
Minus 3 minus
Right so far?
3 plus 3.
Well, then this is the end of it.
Okay, the book has a different, I don't care. I'm serious, the book also says x minus 3 over 3.
X minus 3 over 3.
Oh, can you check that? Oh, maybe you need to check,
This should be the answer for the problem that was written up here, whether or not that's the one in the book.
It's written wrong. I see what she already did.
What
Okay, so this is not quite.
The 3 is supposed to be on the bottom, it's supposed to be over x.
Ah,
That's
that'll
the
make
over
sense
one, it's
difference.
supposed to be over x.
Over x. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is ish problem 7b. Modifications to the book might be different, right?
I'm so goofy, sorry.
No worries.
We just